Hey Heather, it's Graham here. I've just thought I'd make you aware of the changes that I've made, the plugin that we've purchased, and essentially all the form stuff that's quite new. Let me know if you want me to go through the site and change all the forms over to the new form. I know it's a bit of data work. You probably don't want to do it. I can do it if you want. When I've got a spare couple hours, just let me know. Because I know you're a busy person. So you'll notice now we're not using, well, you can use the old one, but I don't know why you would do going forward, because this one's way better. So you'll see here on the left we've got forms in here, and I've created both forms that you wanted that we currently use. So we've got the job form, we've got the data capture paperless form, and essentially this is going to be the new forms. This is the new plugin that we've purchased. It's way better because it allows you to create your forms yourself. So you can go into these, you click edit on these ones, and you can see here that we've got the form. This is pretty much what the actual layout is for the form. You can drag and drop these round, and if you wanted to edit them, you click this little toggle or click the button. You can change the label, you can change the maximum characters if it's required. You can change the placeholder, you can make it large or small. You can obviously drag these ones in from the side, so most of these are single line text. A couple of them are in advance to emails or a name, for example, or a phone number. You can literally drag these in and move them about. It's really easy to edit. There's no code. It's super easy. So yeah, that's just how you do those, and I've created the marketing paperless one for you as well that you requested, and I'll show you that a bit later. The good thing about this is if you go to form settings, for example, you can see the form title, but you can also change the button text there if you wanted. Loads of other stuff that you won't ever go into. If you want to go to notifications, though, this is crucial. This is the new section that you'll use all the time. A notification is a form notification that as soon as something fills up something out, you'll then receive something, or the client will. So normally the admin notification is basically to the admin email, which is actually our email. But I think I've actually changed this. I'll change this to your email. There you go. Just so you get this. And essentially, it's really good because you don't need this complex system of crazy, like, oh, what am I going to put in? This is literally the message that comes in, the form title. You see these little parentheses. This is basically to pull in the data. You'll see here that all fields will come through, but you can actually use this little drop down and you can pull in any of the information that you wanted. So say, for instance, if you wanted to change, just go marketing, and then you were like there, and then you go, okay, I want this is like that field. So it's really simple, but by default it will just send you all of it. The good thing about this plugin is it actually stores all the information in the back end, which I don't believe the other one did. It was pretty useless, to be honest. I don't know why anything would ever not do that. So you can see entries here. You can see obviously all of the information that's kept here as well. So if you ever lost something or you didn't find it in your emails, it would be in here. It's just really good, basically. So yeah, we've got the job form in here, which I've actually loaded onto your vacancies page. And I've also got the data capture one. Now I don't know where you want that exactly, so I've literally just created a page called paperless form. I don't really know. You can change it obviously after if you wanted. And essentially this is the form. I've done a bit of styling to make it a little nicer. But yeah, so essentially all that you do to get this into the page itself is literally put in the shortcode into the form. Essentially here, it's exactly like that. You can actually click the add form button, which is another integration this has got. It's really good, and a lot easier. You can just add form, choose the form that you wanted. So it's super good. And if you're actually going to watch this video, I don't know if you do, but I'll also list it in the email. If you want me to migrate all the forms over to this one, yeah, like I said, it'll be a few hours work, but I can make those changes for you. So yeah, any other questions at all, give us a shout. Cheers.